Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to Letterland. We are now at Unit 6 in Letterland. And before we start our new unit, I would like for you to review some of these sounds that we learned about last week. What character is this? Good. Parachute Annie. And what does she say? Very good. Here we have Mr. O, consonant magic E. When you have an O in a word with a consonant after it and then magic E, you know that the O says O. Very good. And then we have the blue magic letters that we learned about last week. Clever Cat enjoys being turned into a hissing snake beside blue magic E. Then she hisses just like Sammy Snake. So when you see CE in a word together, it says S. Awesome. Now I would like for you to look up at our chart, and I've made a word here. Who can predict what the first letter will say? If you predicted that it says U, you are correct. We have a magic E on the end. That will make the vowel man appear. So this word is use. Sleepy Sammy Snake also. So what type of syllable is this? It is a magic E syllable. Very good. I'm going to make another word here. Here's our next word. We again have magic E on the end. I'm going to shoot the sparks over one letter. This word would be cube. Very good. Here's another word with our U vowel and magic E. What word would this be? Flute. Good job. Now, if you notice in the word use and cube, the U says U, but in the word flute, it says oo. Remember that Mr. U can sometimes say U or oo. Here's another word that we're going to make. Okay, ready? This word has two syllables. The first syllable is in, second syllable is clude, include. Very good. Now we have a new card here that is similar to the card that we had last week, CE with Blue Magic, but this is GE. This is Golden Girl's great friend, Gentle Ginger the gymnast. Mr. E has made a special Blue Magic E for her at Golden Girl's request to spotlight her while she does some clever gymnastic tricks in her letter and makes the J sound at the start of her name, Gentle Ginger. The Blue Magic E is silent, so together these two letters have just one sound, J. Let's make a word that includes this blue magic. Again, I'm going to start with the letter P. Blue magic at the end. So please read this word with me. Page. Please turn the page in your book. As you can see, it still has magic E that shoots the sparks over to make that a long A sound. And then we have the GE together saying J, page. Let's make another word with gentle ginger. Finger tap this word with me. Huge. Huge. I saw a huge elephant at the zoo. Huge. Very good. Sometimes we don't want a vowel man to appear though, as firefighter Fred discovered one day. One day, Dippy Duck asked Fred to write down his recipe for fudge so his friends could make it too. So firefighter Fred took a piece of paper and got ready to write fudge at the top. He finger sounded the word. Let's do it with him. Fudge. Ah, Fred said. That sound was my sound. So he wrote down an F. Then Fred said, that's the umbrella sound. And he wrote a U. Then he said the last sound, J. That's Jumping Jim's sound. But, said Dippy Duck, Jim can't be at the end of the word. Here's Jumping Jim. But Dippy Duck said Jumping Jim cannot be at the end of a word. He'd just keep jumping off the page. So, said firefighter Fred, it must be Gentle Ginger and Magic E. That blue magic is really cool. So instead of the J, he wrote G-E. Oh, but that can't be right, said Dippy Duck, who was watching Fred write his recipe. Can you tell why it can't be right? What's going to happen to this magic E? If it shoots sparks over to the U, what word would that make? Fuge, yes. That doesn't spell fudge, said Dippy Duck. That says fuge. Yes, fuge, Fred agreed. So how can we make it say fudge? I have an idea, said Dippy Duck. I would like to be in that word. But there is no D sound in fudge, said Fred. Well, maybe I could be a silent letter. I'd like to squeeze in between the vowels and Gentle Ginger. That will be the best place to watch her delightful gymnastic tricks. Let's try it, said Fred. So Fred wrote fudge like this. Yes, said Fred, those magic sparks can only reach back over one letter to land on a vowel. So with you in the way, Uppy Umbrella can safely stay there saying as usual. So now we have the up sound because Magic E cannot reach over to her. Magic E can only reach over one letter, and here it'll land on Dippy Duck. So she is safe. She does not get changed into Mr. U. Fred knows all about sparks and flames and such, being a firefighter. Fred soon discovered that Dippy Duck could help spell other words that are important to firefighters, like there's some more important firefighter words that Dippy Duck was going to help make. This word is badge. Good. Yes, Fred has a firefighter's badge. Here's another important firefighter word. This word is dodge. Firefighters might have to dodge the flames of falling embers. Very good. So this week we we are going to be working on words that have gentle ginger and our silent letter D. So let's look over at our words here on our chart. We have words with U consonant magic E. We have words with gentle ginger. And we have words that have gentle ginger with the silent dippy duck. So that will make the vowel sound be a short vowel sound instead of a long vowel sound. All right, I put this word huge between the U consonant magic E and the GE because it has both. Huge has U consonant magic E and it has GE at the end. Let's read through our words, starting with tractor reading. Ready? Use, include, huge, excuse, cube, age, page, badge, edge, bridge, fudge, dodge. And our tricky words are word, change. Good. Read through the words again with train reading a little bit faster. Use, include, huge, excuse, cube, age, page, badge, edge, bridge, fudge, dodge, word, change. Awesome job. Now we're going to read it even faster. Get ready for that airplane reading. Going fast. Use, include, huge, excuse, cube, age, page, badge, edge, bridge, fudge, dodge, word, change. Awesome. Now our last way that we're going to read it is with the helicopter reading. It can go in any direction. Pay attention. Read the words with me. Cube, age, huge, page, badge, excuse, include, edge, use, dodge, bridge, change, fudge, work. Awesome job, boys and girls. Thank you for watching our video, and we look forward to working with words with U consonant magic E, gentle ginger, GE, and our silent dippy duck this week.